Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap South San Francisco local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right services for your move, whether it's 100 miles away or 2,500 miles away. We can also provide international moving services. Our team will provide the necessary services to make sure you get where you need to go. Some of the additional services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company will ensure you have a much easier move. Our team makes it so much easier to move, even if you're just going down the road. When you need local movers, we save you time, we keep you from doing the heavy lifting, and we make sure your things show up safely. Hiring 3 movers will streamline the entire moving process. We get you to your new home or office faster and easier. Our team streamlines the entire moving process for you. A move that would take you a few days to complete, we get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South San Francisco moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.